Hey guys, what's up? This is Shuri from eGadgets for you, and as usual in my recent videos, as you have seen, my son Prince is with me. Come here, Prince. So yes, he is here, and Prince, in this video we have this HP gaming headset with us.
Yeah.
Actually, we got this for free with the printer. If you follow my videos, you will see that I purchased a printer for my son over here for his school works and all. So we got this particular thing for free, and it arrived a couple of days late. So what do you say, Prince? Should we unbox it and test it for our viewers?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, I have the box over here, and it's a very big box, as you can see. So without using a knife, I'm just going ahead and trying it with my fingers and nails. It did open, so we are going ahead and opening the box for the very first time. Let us see. The packaging seems very good. Here it is. Okay, putting aside the box, yeah, for now the first thing that I see apart from the headphone is that it's a product notice. I don't know, oh, these are the safety notice and stuff like that. If you have the time, you can go through it. I have gone through a lot of things here, a lot of the stuffs, and yes, this does tells you about the headphones, what are the different features, like the volume up and down buttons, the backlit area, the mic on and off, microphone turn on and off lights, the warranty card, very important. And yes, last of all, this is a HP product support card where you can find all the numbers and places where you can go for the warranty. Now for the headphone itself, let me put aside this, and yes, this is the headphone. As you can see, yeah, it's very well built, I must say. Oh, they are giving this particular headset for free with a earpiece that actually moves so nice. Just look at that. Did you hear that sound? And it's so smooth, so damn smooth. It's very good for your headphones. And yes, this just looks good, looks very good. The braided cables, as you can see over here, the braided cables are here, and the volume control is over here. The on and off button, as you can see, the on and off button is over here, and the volume buttons to go up and down is also present over here. And apart from that, this is a USB end, the USB end of the braided cable. And I'll just go ahead and move aside this particular things, and I will insert the cable in my laptop, and you will see that the blue light, this also lights up. Actually, you can see, if you can see, this also does lights up. Yes, the HP logo is lighting up, the microphone is lighting up over here as well, and over here I think it's powered on. I'll go ahead and play some of the NCS music. Okay guys, the NCS music is playing over there, as you can see on the screen. My Prince is very eager, but let me try first, Prince, then we'll do it. Okay. Okay, so I'm putting the headphone for the very first time.
You cannot hear it.
Wait. Yeah, it's good. The sound output is very good. Let me put it in full volume. Yes, but yes, it's not so loud. In full volume also, it's not so loud, but yes, it has a very good depth to it. The basses, oh yeah, mind blowing, my god. Yeah, the basses are good, absolutely damn good. Those are very good basses. There is a very good clarity on the sound, as I can hear over here. Each and every lyrics, the words are prominent, are clear, a very good depth to each and every music, each and every bits that I can feel. Prince, come on, you try it out. Let's see how you feel it. Okay, how is that? Come on.
It's good.
Can you hear me? Come on, look there.
No.
Look there. How do you like it? Well, show your expressions, man. Yeah, it's good, nah? You feel good, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the headphone is cool.
Yes.
Wait. Don't shout like that. Wait, yeah, I'm just turning on the volume a little bit down.
Alright.
Okay. So how do you like? So tell them. How do you like it?
It was good, nah?
It's cool.
It's cool.
And it looks good on you too.
It's on fire.
It's a fire? You hearing fire over there?
It's fire.
So yes, as you can see, yes. Just wait. Let me talk to them now. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, he's also very excited using this particular headphones. Maybe we will game. Prince, will you game with me using this particular headphone?
Yes.
Yeah, we will play some games, and we will use this headphone, and we'll talk to the other guys with this microphone as well, and we'll show the users as well, right?
Yeah.
What do you say? We're good to it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, as you can see, yes, this is a very good headset, and yes, my son also likes it. Let me put the volume up for him right now. Let him enjoy the music and while I talk to you. So this is a quick unboxing and the setup of this particular headphone. It's very easy, plug and play. It's very lightweight, as well as you can see in this particular scenario, in this particular video shot. It's very well built and does not feel heavy on your ears also, and does not feel heavy on your head. That extra support, the build quality are perfect. But yes, I'll use this extensively and I'll give you a full review of this particular headset as well. As we move along, we will play with it, we'll play some games with it, and you'll do the daily drive with it as well. And so yes, that will be it guys for this particular video. My son has also liked the headphone. So yes, if you have liked this video, consider liking and sharing with your friends and families. Stay subscribed to my channel, turn on that notification bell, and Prince, we will see them very soon, right? In the next video, which will be very soon, right? Okay, bye guys. Come on, yeah, come in the frame. Come in the frame. Okay, bye guys. That's it. Bye for now.